Yeah, my name is Vic with the really long Chevy truck, baby. Well, I'm here to say homeboys to all the homeboys, all the crew, anybody out there, and especially the 92nd Lady of Guadalupe choir. Had to put them in there, huh? Well,
Hey,
I'm here to say a good time to everybody. We're going to try to answer your questions. Just put them down below and don't forget to ring the freaking bell. All right, now. I'm here just to, I might not know it. Anything I say, I have no kind of diploma. Maybe a BS, but not the kind you're thinking of. All right. Here we go. Yeah, yeah. You know
is
what I
that why
mean?
you're wearing
What
that
the
shirt?
hell? Who's that?
And
Hey, who
that's
the
and
hell is
that's
that?
Vic. That's
What's
Victor's
who's that?
alter ego, Dr. Schleppy.
Who's that? What's your name? Oh shit! Hold on. Hold on. We
Boy,
have
that college
technical
degree
difficulties.
came in
We have
handy, huh?
technical difficulties.
Victor was also a puppeteer with Jim Henson Puppets on the Sesame Street TV show, PBS.
Yeah, the one that they didn't do. Okay. What the goony goo goo's going?
Well, what's going on, man? You sound good. You look
You
good.
know me. You know me. Not too much is going on right now. I'm gonna tell you the truth. So, yo, doctors, what the hell? Hell. That's right, Schleppy. I'm the world's greatest person that knows everything. That's right, I know everything there is to know about anything. So, if you have any questions,
Hold on.